What's up guys, this is Prachi and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of dandruff in the most simple natural way possible. So it's a natural remedy and it's very safe. It can be used by all hair types. So let me first take you to the ingredients and what we'll be using. We'll just be using 3 ingredients. First ingredient will be right from your refrigerator, which is curd. You can use some old curd, which you can't consume anymore because it's old and like too sour. You can use that, okay? And we'll also be adding to this some neem powder and bringraj powder. So both of these are from Alps Goodness. I like this brand because it's 100% natural, pure, chemical free, pesticide free, preservative free, and just very safe. So I'll be using neem powder and bringraj powder. I will share the links for these in the description box, but they're available on purple.com. Now, why are we using neem powder? Like some of you might have already guessed, neem has amazing antibacterial, antifungal properties. Neem is very good when you're dealing with things like dandruff, malassezia, or any kind of scalp infection of that sort. Let me show this to you up close. It also helps to fight acne causing microbes if you're using it on your skin, that is. And it also helps to promote scalp health and stimulate hair growth. It's created for all skin and all hair types. Today we'll be using it for the hair. So neem is very safe, very gentle, and also extremely effective when you're dealing with these kind of issues with your hair. So yeah, we'll be using neem powder, and we'll also be using bringraj powder. Like some of you might have again already guessed, bringraj is again one of our India's favorite traditional ingredients to use for hair softening, making your hair more conditioned. So let me show this to you up close. It contains antioxidants, promotes hair growth, promotes shine and prevents premature graying of hair, and once again it's created for all hair types. So a lot of times when you have dandruff, you also start having hair fall issues, and your hair follicle health starts to suffer. Bringraj can help you tremendously with things like that. So how do we make this super easy DIY? Obviously we'll make our base with the yogurt or curd. Actually curd is the right word here. We'll make our base with the curd, and to this we'll add 2 teaspoons of neem powder and 1 teaspoon of bringraj powder. Mix everything really well and let this mixture sit for about half an hour in the bowl itself, okay? A lot of you will ask me if we can use metallic bowls and all. Yes, these are completely natural ingredients, and metallic bowl, glass bowl, plastic bowl, everything is safe. No issues there. And after half an hour, just apply it to the lengths of your hair, but more importantly on your scalp. Let me repeat this, guys. Since we are doing dandruff treatment, applying this on scalp is very important. Lengths of your hair, you can still do that because it'll make your hair soft and silky, but scalp, the keyword. Alright, and after you apply it, leave it on for about 40 to 45 minutes and then wash it off with any shampoo. However, I would definitely recommend an anti-dandruff shampoo to give you more amplified results. Now, how often can you use this DIY? Well, honestly, because it's natural, you can actually use it every time before you shampoo your hair. It also conditions your hair, so it does that job really well while dealing with dandruff. However, if that's too much of an effort, especially for people with a lot of dandruff, try to use it at least twice a week in the beginning, and gradually, as you'll see, in 1 or 2 uses only, you'll start seeing the dandruff reducing. When the dandruff has reduced a lot more, you can reduce it to once a week, okay? Yes, that's about it, guys. It's a very simple DIY, like I just said, completely natural. We are using plant-based clean ingredients, and like I said, Alps Goodness products are all natural, chemical, pesticide free, no animal testing either. Both of these products, no animal testing, so that just makes it like good quality raw powders, so yeah, that's it. I'll put the link for both of these powders in the description box below. They're available on purple.com, and if you still have any questions or if you have any variations of your own for this DIY, or if you have any of your own anti-dandruff DIYs, let me know in the comment section below what they're all about. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.